worsens. Behold, a cunning collector of unique fashion, for whom puppies stirred a curious passion.
You see, tragically misunderstood.
Ruthless,
driven,
devious,
creative,
and dressed to kill.
Misunderstood. Everyone thinks they know you. Hello, darling! Oh, you see, I'm someone you do understand me. Fabulous outfit. The eyes in her stare. All innocent children. And better beware. I want you. She's like the spider ready for the kill. So powerful, forever fulfilled. Is it my fault? I have a flair for fashion. Puppies serve my passion. Great artists are always misunderstood, darling. It's enough to make one see sports. Unnatural, darling. You come to realize. You see her kind of eyes. Watching you from underneath the wall.
But true.
She doesn't scare you, no evil thing will. Just see me, the take a second chance.
Did I tell you? Incorrigible. And yet somehow, she made it through the glass.
I know you're in.
You answer me.
No.
Clearly, I'm the one.
I have told you I only answer to the queen. But do they listen? No. They put on a show. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Another scoundrel, undoubtedly with a load of crock to sell you.
So try the life of a king,
Really?
dissemble the life of a crook. There isn't a one who won't have on the work from Captain Hook.
The world's most famous rogue. I finally made it through the cloud. Why, hello, look at you, yes. Captain Hook at your service. No applause, that brand piece of I'm too late. Even Smee likes it better than me. Do you? Dare you? Pull me too? Well, that's just because I'm so horribly misunderstood.
benevolent captain like myself can offer you freedom, wealth, glory, and above all, never growing up. Fancy that! Answering to, let me see, no one. Now sing! Yo-ho! So try the life of a thief, to step on the life of a crook. That isn't the one who won't have fun walking for Captain Hook. The world's most famous thank you. I like this. You're welcome. See here. A special offer for today. I'll tell you what I'll do. All those who sign without delay will get a free tattoo. Why, it's like money in the bank. Come on, join up, and I'll be frank. Unless you do, you'll walk the plank. The choice is up to you. Yeah, okay. We have fun here. Yes. Hello. Oh, magic mirror on the wall. Both misunderstood why. Hey, that's all. You're not the life of a thief. You'll finish the life of a crook. There's the fun for everyone. You'll get treasured by the ton. What? It's a fun inside the moon. Going out with Captain I smell on board. Thank you.
I hate to say I told you so, but I told you so. They are relentless. Villains will do anything to push their way to the front. What now? Ah, yes. The fairy godmother no one wants. Maleficent.
The knave in the mirror away, have I? Why, there's no need to be frightened of me. Isn't that right, my pet? I'm merely here to propose that I am the most misunderstood of all. Haven't you ever been forgotten? Left off the list? Omitted from a grand affair that the entire kingdom is attending, except you. It's so appreciated. I've been woefully misinterpreted. You'll love me at once.
Villains do love a dramatic exit.
It's my turn.
It's never ends.
Hold it right there, Mr. Funny Face. Why don't I get VIP access, huh? Hello? She isn't the only one who's feeling a little heated by being misunderstood, okay?
And yet another wounded foe.
Whoa! You see the severity of my situation, can't you? How I've been misunderstood by the cat!
Petty, insignificant, and awkwardly flamboyant.
Hey, who's hold off your nose, cat?
Two at a time.
I demand you let me in, or out. Which is it?
Okay, how do you let him know? I was here first.
Listen, you hovering apparition. I've been dreadfully misunderstood. I should have been Sultan!
Oh, wow. We need a little cheese to go with that.
Silence!
Okay, I know. Hey, whoever's not here, never mind. I was here first.
I dare any to challenge all that I've had to endure.
Dismissed, rejected, publicly humiliated.
This time, that's a good answer, cause I give you so much the silence.
Oh no, more than three? How can you so
Miserably awful fast. I really want could it be possible you don't know who I am?
I was the Grand Vizier of Andaman!
Where'd you think this was on?
Oh, that it has come to this.
You misunderstand me most of all. The name in the mirror is mine, and mine alone.
No! Shattered. Again. Too many. Must end. Were you? Yes, you! I beseech thee, answer them! Choose the most misunderstood! But how? Many spoke, but few were seen, though villains in the mirrors gleamed. But these three passed through the glass. Yes! Choose from them! That is your task! This is your moment. You are the judge. Clap, stomp, and scream. Show who you love. And when you do, the smoke will rise as you choose the most villainized. Do you cheer for the spider waiting for the kill? Cruella is good. Or shout for the world's most famous drunk. Or scream the deviant upheaval. Magic mirror on the wall, who's most misunderstood of all?